Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to about guys how to turn on aeroplane mode in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to on guys your aeroplane mode, so guys how can you turn on? In this video I will show you friends how to turn on aeroplane mode in our Realme phone from phone setting. In this video I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel and guys you are watching my video first time, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So then first of all guys we will on guys our phone setting to turn on aeroplane mode, then guys scroll it. So friends, you can see guys there is no any setting to on guys aeroplane mode setting. So guys, how can you on it? So friends, you can see guys this connection and sharing option. Friends, tap here and get first setting, as you can see aeroplane mode. So friends, you want to on, so guys you can turn on from here. After on guys you can see this airplane icon on your screen. Then guys you cannot use guys your phone, like, and guys you cannot call your friends, they cannot call you guys. And guys you can use guys only download, guys you can watch guys your download movies, song and like that videos. And guys you cannot use guys your data guys, mobile data also. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.